What is gradient descent? Gradient descent is a technique that we use in machine learning a lot. Here, what we do is we walk down a function to find its minima. The formula that we use here to find the minima or to find the new minima is this formula: omega new is equals to omega old minus learning rate multiplied by partial fraction, partial derivative of loss over the partial derivative of weight. Now, this formula is very, very important from a lot of perspectives. Here, there are two things: one is learning rate, and the other is gradient descent. Learning rate is the step size that the person takes to move down the function. The smaller the learning rate, the smaller will be the steps, and the higher number of iterations will it take to reach the local minima. To reach the minima, not local minima, but rather the global minima. And the gradient descent over here is the descent word here means that we are trying to find the minimum value of our function. Here, there are a lot of types of gradient descent. There are mini batch gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. What happens in gradient descent is that we are trying to know the minima of a function, but we accumulate of all the previous steps to reach to that point. Example, if the person starts walking from this point to reach with the aim to reach this point and the aim is achieved, the person has accounted for all the steps taken in between to reach this point. That is the standard gradient descent. The mini batch gradient descent means कि we take a small batch, let's say only this size of the function, and what we try to do is find the minima of just this small mini batch. Stochastic gradient descent means that we find the descent of the function at random points. We find it at here and then we find it at here, but we find it at complete random points. Now, there are a lot of challenges in this gradient descent concept, which is that it can get stuck at a local minima. Let us consider an example where the function is not ending just here, but it is also going a little bit down and then coming back up over here, which means that the new local minima would be somewhere around here. That means कि our gradient descent can get stuck over here, which is our local minima and not the global minima. It also means that there will be slow convergence if the sensitive that if the learning rate is not sensitive enough. That means it can either take very, very small steps or it can take large steps and completely skip this minima as well. So these are the main drawbacks of gradient descent.